Imagine turning just one photo into a realistic AI person that talks, or a 3D cartoon version of yourself. Even a Pixar-style character that speaks. You don't need expensive software or editing experience. Welcome to Josephine AI Academy. Let's bring your character to life. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create all 3 AI talking avatars step by step.
Welcome. I am not AI 3D. I am an AI avatar. Realistic human avatar. Welcome to Josephine AI Academy. Let me teach you.
I can help you turn yourself into this 3D avatar. Let me show you.
First, open your Gemini. Click on the plus sign. Click on the gallery. Select your image, allow it to generate. Now paste your prompt. See my prompt, you can copy it for your texting until you learn it. Now once you click, the quality of your avatar depends on the quality of your photo. Use a bright, clear image. Avoid blurred pictures. Make sure your face is visible. Now send it to generate. It's generating. Just a few seconds. Done. If the first picture is not okay, no problem. You can still try again. In this my own, it has 2 marks. Now let's tell it to remove 1 mic because I don't think 2 mic is okay. Now Gemini, remove 1 mic. It's generating. Done. I think this one is beautiful. I love this one. Now save it. Now let's turn the same image into a beautiful 3D cartoon. Paste your prompt. Now we send our prompt and allow it to generate. You can copy my prompt. You just tell her to turn it to 3D cartoon. It's generating. Voila! Now we have 3D avatar. Finally, let's create a Pixar style version. Just tell it to change it to a Pixar style. That's all. And send. Let's allow it to generate. Just a second. Done. See, beautiful Pixar style 3D cartoon character of yourself. You're welcome. Now let's make them talk and animate it. To make the avatar talk, I will use Beeswax. You can generate it from Play Store. They will give you 60 credits every day. Then if you watch ad, they will give you extra credit. To check the ad, just click on the box there, open it, you will see the ad. Once you watch, you have 2 extra credits. Now add your image, go to image to video. Now add image. It will lead you to your album. Select your image. Now come to the description. Type what you want the avatar to say. Anything at all. So I'm typing my own, and then after typing, you click on create and allow it to generate. Great, let's wait. It's done generating. Let's play it.
I am not real. I am AI human avatar.
Now let's download it. Click on the arrow upwards. It will bring you GIF or MP3. Click on MP3 and allow it to generate to your phone. Also do the same to our Pixar style. All of them generate.
Hello, I am.
I did the same and got the same result. Just download. And you're good to go. Congratulations! You now know how to create 3 different AI avatars from just one photo. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and subscribe to Josephine AI Academy. And here is something exciting. In my next video, I'll show you how to make this avatar talk with your real voice. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.